Let's start the recording. Just want to give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ram, nearly having 14 plus years of experience. These are the technologies what I've been working from last 14 years. I have 8 plus years of IT trainings and placement experience. And also I have written almost 3 books over here. I have written 3 books on this Azure Data Engineering, and those books are already published in the market as well. And Today we are going to discussing about what exactly Azure Data Engineering course, and inside this Azure Data Engineering course, what are all the technologies, tools, services, softwares we are going to discuss, how is the job opportunities, and what kind of background people are trying to learn this course. Okay, so from Eclasses, we are offering a free of cost for every student. There is one LMS portal we are providing for making learning more efficiently, and also we are giving a mobile app as well, because if you want to join daily live sessions, and if you want to see my class recording videos once the class completed, and if you want to chat with the trainers, there is one collaborative environment we created, that is called our LMS portal, learning management system, and also those things you can able to access from the mobile app as well. Perfect. And this is my YouTube channel, guys. So if you want to enroll for my YouTube channel, I'm publishing daily one video inside the channel. So let me send that YouTube channel link as well. I'm requesting all of you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Very informative videos daily I'm uploading into my YouTube channel about the technologies, career counseling, and all those things, so you guys can able to watch those things. Okay, right. Now, in my 8 plus years of experience, when the people are coming to join this Azure Data Engineering course, there are different kind of background people are coming to learn. So what are the different kind of categories we have? So one is about a, like they were already working in IT. They are already working in IT. They got some experience on different technology. They got experience. Now they want to upskill their knowledge, and then after they are going to join this Azure Data Engineering jobs. This is one kind of background. They are already working in IT. Next background people is non-IT people. They were working in non-IT, and some people having a career gap. Some people having career gap over here, and also some people having like a freshers, recently passed out people. These people are recently passed out people. So one is about they were already working in IT, and some people are working in non-IT, and some people having a career gap. Some people having a freshers. So these four kind of background people are trying to learn this Azure Data Engineering course. So in this demo session also, the people who joined definitely belongs to any of one category here. Am I right or wrong? If yes, can you say the number? If you belongs to category one, say number one, two, three, four. Just ping me in the chat. What is your number? What is your number? Then I can understand what kind of background people are coming to learn this course. Okay, one is about Anil is category 1, Sharath 2. What about others? You belongs to which category? Are you guys working in IT, non-IT, or don't have any work experience, or recently passed out freshers? Okay, most of the people belongs to category 1 and 2. That's what I have observed here. Okay, anyhow, so 95 percentage the people who are going to learn this Azure Data Engineering course, definitely they are going to mention some experience when they are going to applying for the jobs. Am I right? Definitely you are going to applying for the jobs as a experienced person. You are going to applying for the jobs as a experienced person, like a 4 plus years of experience you are going to apply for the jobs after completing this course. So when you are going to applying as a experienced, for example, if you have already 10 years of experience, IT experience, and in this 10 years you work for Java or .NET or testing or whatever it is. Now you are going to split your experience out of 10, 6 into Java and 4 into Azure. This is what happening from the last many people who joined these trainings, they were applying for experienced jobs only. When you are applying for the experienced jobs, definitely you need to crack the interview, and you need to work on the real time projects, correct? Because many people are depending on the proxy interviews and work supports, but we don't want you to do such kind of things. So without taking proxy interviews, without taking anyone work support, how to survive in the market, how to crack the interview yourself, how to work on the real time projects, that's what the clear roadmap I have prepared for every student by dividing this Azure Data Engineering training into two parts, two programs I splitted. So every student, whoever is going to join for this course, definitely you should complete these two programs. Then you will get a pretty confidence like a 4 plus years of experience guy, how he has a experience over here. Okay. So what exactly this program one? What are the things we are going to offer as a part of this program one? In the program one, it's a Azure Data Engineering training. The program one is a traditional Azure Data Engineering training. It's a 50 hours duration. Every day we are taking the live sessions. It's going to be Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. And once the class completed, we are going to share daily class recording videos as well, and sample resumes, certification guidance, daily class notes, interview question and answer, end-to-end project. This is what we are offering in the program one. If you see any institution, if you see any institution, we were going to, in every institution, we were going to, you can see this kind of curriculum. Am I right? But what other things Eclasses is offering for the data engineers and students, you can see the program too. Because whoever is completing this program or Azure Data Engineering training from other institutions, from other institutions, out of 100, only 10 to 50% of the people only able to crack the interviews and working on the real-time projects. So what is this gap? So why there is a 90% of the students are not able to do that? We are going to make another program to make more perfection on this one. That is, after 2 weeks of the program one starts, after 2 weeks of the program one starts, we are running parallelly second program, that is a real time program, RTP placement assistance program. That is a real time RTP placement assistance program. Okay. So in this real time RTP placement assistance program, this is we are going to conduct only on the weekend, Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. This is going to be 30 to 40 hours. So this second program is going to be handled by industry expert. He is working in three projects. Three projects handling is a one of the MNC company is working. Uh, Mr. Gaurav, he is handling the second program, and I am handling the first program. So in this second program, we were offering a agile methodology. What is this meaning of agile methodology? When you are working in real-time projects in a company, definitely your project will be split like a sprints and tasks. So we splitted our project also into 170 scenario based tasks. Those tasks you need to do like a weekly sprints. Whatever the sprints are completed, we are going to make it on weekly tests also. If you see, this is how we are creating some sprints to complete your project. So this is a project management tool we are offering for everyone. So simply you are going to log into this project management tool. Here we have the sprints over here. This is sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4, sprint 5, like that. Got it? And this, when you are doing all these kind of tasks, that you are getting a hands-on a project over here. How many projects we are going to offer? One project we are going to make it to do the hands-on, and we are giving two to three projects more to keep in your resume. But hands-on, only one project we are offering. And also we are going to prepare you the interview preparation. What kind of interview preparation? The interview preparation means, the interview preparation means it's all about like a interview preparation means, for example, when you are going to the interview, they will ask a question. Hey, can you tell me what are all the challenges you were faced from last project? Can you explain me your end-to-end project flow? So such kind of questions, scenario based questions, we will make you prepare. And also we are going to help you to build your resume based on your previous experience, how to split and what kind of projects we can keep. And then after, we can conduct the mock interviews as well. We can conduct the mock interviews also. So we are going to this is how we are going to making of this to get more confident self interview preparation, and getting real time exposure. This second program also we are going to, this is the main heart of the Azure data engineering training. Such kind of program you never see in any other institution. So about these programs and pricing, all those details, you can reach out to this number. She is our coordinator. She will take care of all the training details, and all details will be provided by this contact number. And we are going to start this regular sessions from Monday onwards. Okay, from this Monday onwards, we are going to start the regular sessions. The timings we will announce. Our team will reach out to what time we are going to start this one. We are going to give you 3 free sessions, so you guys can able to attend these 3 free sessions. Then you can decide whether you want to continue or not. Okay, then after, you can see like when you are coming to this data engineering, what is this data engineering, why this much demand we have? If you observe, currently artificial intelligence is increasing day by day. Artificial intelligence is increasing day by day. So when you are going to artificial intelligence, data is very important for artificial intelligence. So when you are coming to the data side, what kind of jobs available in the data? There is a data engineering, data analysis, and a data science. Total three type of jobs available. What a data engineer will do? A data engineer, simply you can see here, uh, I have a supermarket. Inside the supermarket, everyday customer will come and is buying the product. Whenever he is buying the product, immediately the transactions data will come and store in the backend database over here. Okay, immediately in the backend, the data will come and store it over here. Am I right? Yes. Similarly, in this supermarket also, the data will be come and store in the backend database over here. As a data engineer, you need to consolidate the data from this server to here, and from this server to here. We need to consolidating of the data into one particular place. We need to consolidating of the data into one particular place over here by using some ETL tools. The process you are going to consolidating the data into one particular place, it is called ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading. So to do this extraction, transformation, loading, we are going to use one of the software service available inside the Microsoft Azure, that is Data Factory. So once the data is coming to the staging area, that we are going to again loading into data warehousing. This is my target. In between, when you are moving the data, we are going to do the cleaning and transforming of the data. Means, for example, in my data, I have a duplicates. Remove the duplicates, null values, replace null values, blank values. We need to modify that blank values. So these are all the things we are going to perform by using a Databricks notebooks over here. By using the Databricks notebooks over here. So by using this Databricks notebooks, we can able to do these transformations. Inside these Databricks notebooks, we can able to put it the PySpark, SQL, all those kind of commands over here. All those kind of commands we are going to operating over here. Okay, so this is data engineer. Data engineer is completely data storage and processing. Then after, data analyst will come to the picture. He is going to designing of the data modeling and designing of the reports by using a Power BI. So data scientist also, like he is going to take this data and is going to do some machine learning models, predictions, recommendations, many kind of algorithms he will develop. But we are going to focus completely now on the data engineering part only. So as a part of this data engineering, if you want to implement your project, currently in the market, Microsoft Azure is very demand in the market. So inside the Microsoft Azure, you can log into the Microsoft Azure portal. See, you can, this is Microsoft Azure portal. Inside this Microsoft Azure portal, we were we were inside this Microsoft Azure portal. Simply go to this one. You can see there are so many software services available. So there are almost 200 plus software services available. Almost 200 plus software services available. Out of these 200 plus software services, we are going to use only few services. We are going to use few services over here. What are those few services? There is a data factory, zero coding, ETL tool, Databricks. There is a SQL and PySpark commands we are going to write down. In this course, I am going to teach you complete PySpark from basic to advanced and live streaming analytics. So these three ETLs we are going to discuss, and some storage related services like a storage account with the blob, data lake gen 2, Azure SQL DB, Azure Synapse Data Warehousing Analytics. These are all the things we are going to discuss in this course. Along with this, we are going to discuss few administration tasks, Git repository, Azure DevOps CI/CD pipelines, few Power BI sessions also I'm going to discuss it over here. So day by day content. See here, day 1, what I'm going to discuss, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. All the things we have prepared it over here. You can get this from our expert, I mean our team as well. Okay. So what the content we are going to discuss in this course as well. Okay. So this course we were like we need parallelly with this Azure Data Engineering course, I will recommend to everyone to get some knowledge on the SQL and Python basic things. This SQL and Python will include like the data engineering related commands, whichever we have, we can able to uh, we can learn this SQL and Python as well. You can learn SQL and Python also. So whatever this SQL and Python we have, such kind of SQL and Python, I'm going to provide you free of cost. 20 hours SQL, 25 hours Python. We are going to give you self-paced recording videos only for SQL and Python. You can do a self-learning as well. Okay. So we are dividing this entire program into two programs, right? Program 1 and program 2. Program 1 is 50 hours. Program 2 is 40 hours. Uh, this is going to be handled Gaurav, and program 1 I will handle. Once you are completing this course, what exactly you need to learn? I mean, what kind of certification you need to do? It's going to be DP 700 certification. You have to do the DP 700 certification. So DP 700 is the latest certification. We are going to guide you, because earlier DP 203, now it should be DP 700. To do this DP 700 certification, we should have some Microsoft Fabric knowledge. As this is a new platform, this is Microsoft Fabric platform. The same thing, whichever you have in this Microsoft Azure, right? Whichever you have in this Microsoft Azure, same kind of things you can able to see inside the Fabric also. So I'm going to give you some exposure on this environment also, to complete your certification of DP 700. DP 203 is not available. It was expired in the March 31st, 2025. So now you need to do the DP 700 certification. To complete this DP 700 certification, you should have Azure Data Engineering knowledge, and you should have a Microsoft Fabric knowledge also. I'm going to give you some knowledge on the Microsoft Fabric as well to complete this certification. So what is a Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is simple. Earlier when you were implementing the projects, Data engineering purpose Azure we are using, data analysis purpose Power BI we are using. Now what Microsoft is doing, all the softwares related to the data engineering is moving into this Power BI, into this cloud from Azure, that is a Microsoft Fabric. Okay, but still so many projects are implementing on the Azure data engineering only. All right, so this is all about the demo session which we were conducting over here, and we can have a regular sessions from Monday onwards. Okay, so now if you guys have any questions, I hope you understood what we are going to cover in this course, program 1, program 2. With the combination of these two programs, actually the cost of these two programs is 35,000, but we are giving an offer if you are enrolling for two programs 25,000 only. Okay, so you can watch my YouTube channel as well. So this is my YouTube channel link, where you can get it over here. This is my YouTube channel link. I'm sharing in the chat as well. Please, I'm requesting everyone to subscribe this channel to get everyday updates. Okay, now if you guys have any questions, you can unmute and you can ask the open questions, anything you can. If you guys wants to meet me, you can come on the Tuesday in Amirpet, Hyderabad. So you can see our office and you can come daily and practice, and you can sit over there. I will be there and we can able to practice and I will clarify your doubts as well. Any questions from anyone now?